Hey everybody, today's video is going to be me fixing my Huskavarna lawnmower. As you can see, she's been out of commission. I've been waiting on a part, and then I got it in from repairclinic.com. I ordered it, however, it did not come with the cap to keep it all in place, so then I had to wait for that. And now I have all the parts and I'm going to put it all together. This is my first time, so I figured I'd show somebody else that it would be their first time as well. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, my chicken's in the back. So, let's see. So we have this one. That is my rooster. He's doing a lot better. Not that you guys knew what was going on, but he definitely sounded not like a rooster when he was trying out that crow. Good job, Elvis. This one. Put all the plastic back into the bag. Alright. This little clip is so tiny, I do not want to lose it. It's blowing away. So I'm pretty sure that this is for, the set must be for both sides, and I only need it for one, so we're going to keep all of this here. But there's only one topper, so, but, and you have this top. Okay, so now that I have all my pieces, I'm going to come down here and try and figure this out. Okay, so I forgot the jack that I used last time. I'm going to go grab that. Grass is crazy. Okay. Okay. They're all still on here. All right. And again though, since I couldn't find a video specifically of what I'm doing and what I needed, this is why I do videos. Although they are just anything that I've come across, I am a do-it-myselfer, so I will figure it out. But yeah, I want to share this information with you guys because I couldn't find anything, so I'm sure if somebody else is out there, they can't. This will be a step-by-step. Alright, here we go. And like I said before, I do not know what I'm doing, and this is all a guess. Alright, so the tire goes on with the air. Well, I guess I should jack this up a little bit more. Should not be struggling to get this guy on. Alright, so obviously that's not gonna feel the most sturdy. Let me see, how does that work? Okay, so these do not go all the way. Okay, so I think that I actually should put one well, I feel like maybe not. I don't know. I can't make up my mind. Why is there a space there? Why is there a space? It's a real question. Alright, so I've been messing with it, and I'm going to stick to this and see how it works. We've got a washer, this piece, inside piece. I feel like I'm supposed to have another one of these, maybe not. So I'm going to put this in there, okay? Put the tire on. Grab the other one of this, put it in there. There is a tiny little space that I feel would be enough for a washer, and that's why I think I should have another one. However, I don't really have one that fits. I only have these big ones. They're just too big. So I'm going to put that washer there. Okay, so there is room, I feel, for one more. So I'm going to put 2 washers on this outside part. And then take my clip and just shove her on there. Well, that's probably why the guy had his wrench, I guess. Alright, I'll go get a wrench. Okay, so you just put it in the groove. I grabbed my channel locks. I'm just gonna squeeze her on there. Feel like that is tight enough. Just like squeeze her together. Ooh, there's a lot of room on there. I wonder if the other one. Well, It looks like the other one has a lot of give as well. So I'm going to put this cap on here and see if she's good to go. Well, question is, can we get this cap on here? Okay, so what I've learned is if you squeeze the top down, it goes on there a lot easier. There we are.